Just follow my lead. Go stay there. Okay, so. No! Stay away. We're going live in 48 minutes.
Minutes?
43. Wait. You see this? This TV here?
iPad?
What?
iPad.
No, I don't have an iPad.
That is an iPad, plus it's mine.
Oh, yeah. Well, when we reach 0, then this is gonna go live on YouTube. Take some time. 7 more minutes.
Seconds, you mean?
Seconds. What is that?
It's the alarm.
That means we're alive. Hello? Can you see us? World. Oh,
Hello.
this doesn't stop now. Oh.
There.
Oh no. We're oh. Stop it. No more.
I'm trying to.
Stop it. How do you turn it off? There you go. So today, we're gonna have this show. What's the name of the show?
Ruby and Carlitos.
No. What's the name? Can you hear me?
Yeah. Ruby, Carlitos, and Bombo.
Be careful with this Iron Man.
Yeah.
What?
This Iron Man suit is not even as heavy as the
Because
original.
It's not Iron Man. It's Welder Man for welding.
Oh, okay.
You know what welding is?
Anyway,
Careful with
Anyway,
that.
so what are we doing today?
we're,
Can I see?
we're showing this
So
gun.
this is a NERF gun, and it's model. What model?
CS6.
Uh,
CS6.
CS6
Long strike. Long strike.
Long Strike.
Strike.
Yeah. CS6 Long Strike. It's it used to be a sharpshooter. Where's the telescope?
It didn't come with one. Well,
There was one before, right?
lost it somewhere.
This is actually from 2009.
It came out in 2000.
That's 11 years. So this is like a relic. It's even older than me. And you. What?
No, it's not. You were like in the 19-something.
Shut up! Don't say the information from the FBI. They're gonna find me. So anyways, when you use one of these guns, you have to be sure you wear some protection on your eyes, so your eyes don't get hurt when you shoot the eyes. If you want to shoot, no, you shouldn't. But if by mistake you shoot
Like
and
this?
you get somebody in the eye,
Like
the
this?
other person doesn't like that. Oh, that was, it happened by itself because I didn't load it. Somebody loaded it.
Wait, did it actually hit me?
Yeah. But it was protected by the Iron Man helmet. That's the actual Iron Man helmet. Well, actually, Iron Man created when he first. Give me that. When he first. What's Iron Man? Hello?
What?
That's Iron Man?
Well, that's Sandman.
Sandman?
Ant-Man. But there is actually a Sandman. Wait, that's someone.
This guy forgot his suit. His mask. That's Iron Man.
Yeah,
This one.
Yeah.
Why is Captain America holding Thor's hammer?
Well, I can't say because it's gonna be a spoiler.
And you know, do you know the guys on the other side of the YouTube, do you know why he's holding Thor's hammer?
Yeah.
Not you, the guys who are watching this video. Anyways, so when Iron Man had to build his suit, he used this mask to weld the suit. Hello?
What?
Are you paying attention?
Anyways, never mind. We're just trying to showcase this gun.
Yeah. Be careful. Okay, action. So we start the show, and today we have NERF
Long Strike CS6.
Long Strike CX6 from 2009, and it came in a box, but actually it wasn't assembled yet, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you talk now.
Okay, so now we're going to show of how you fire. The always basic thing, the trigger. You already know this, so I'm not going to tell you. It's the trigger over here. Well, I am going to tell you.
Wait, how are they supposed to load it? Don't you have to tell them how to load it first?
Oh yeah.
You missed a couple of steps there.
Okay, first I need to unload it. There.
Ooh,
First, you just pull down this.
what's that called?
I actually don't know. Because I'm not.
I don't know, maybe the jolt?
Okay, I don't know,
know,
anything
what's special
about history.
Or we're not. We're doing reviews. We don't know what we're talking about. Isn't that where YouTube is supposed to be?
And why did it do that?
We're having technical difficulties with the gun.
Yeah, it keeps doing that thing.
Jammed.
Yeah, it gets jammed all the time. Like a lot of times. Oh, there's already a bullet in here. Okay, you just put it in here. Well, you didn't see it as well. So I'm actually going to show it to you properly. First, I already told you, put it down like this.
Yeah.
Put this thing, you can put it
That's
here.
The
Or
magazine.
just in your pocket.
Magazine.
Magazine.
Yeah, with bullets.
And then when you put it in here, you just
Ugh.
do that. That's how simple it is to reload. And then the final step to fire, of course, the trigger.
It didn't go too far. It
And
was
plus,
like a
this-
retired bullet.
Plus, this actually has more bullets,
Maybe
so you
because
can
it's very
just
old.
look. You can just do this. Put it down and put it up again, like this.
Wow.
And then
That actually came out very, very fast.
you
As
just
opposed to the other one.
put it back here. And then when you run out of bullets, well, here you can get the other part. Well, actually, this is from another gun, but that's gonna be in another episode. And then you just put it in, and then do the same instructions that I told you, like this. Like that.
Don't shoot me. I'm innocent. Oh, we're back. No.
It actually didn't have anything in it.
Oh.
Look.
What just happened? That thing threw up.
Actually, the way to take this out, what I almost forgot to tell you, is that the way to take out this thing, which you were wondering, is you see this tiny orange thing?
Yeah.
You pull it down, and then it will just become loose. It will become loose, so then you can actually pull it out. Or just, if you like this, you could just press this, and it will fall, and then you change. Which is not much carrying of your bullets. So instead, just put it in the pocket up here. So then, when you have no more bullets, you can just pick them up. Because if you just like do this, then you can. Then you can't actually recover your bullets.
It fell.
That's because
that's supposed to be that way. Doesn't look like a very deadly gun.
You have to pull here. That's why it was going down.
Oh, I see. Say something here. I just discovered. Long Stride CS6. Oh, that's what I just said. So it was written here all the time. It's written there.
Here.
Laughing at me.
Here. You had to pull it this way.
Well, what? I just want to read what it says.
For this to fall.
Okay. Take it. Take your gun. Go get the. We're gonna do a sample shooting. No! Go get the thing.
The bullets, you mean?
No! That thing.
Oh, he doesn't have any more bullets to shoot with.
They're on the floor.
Yeah, of course.
But bring that thing.
Yeah.
The bullseye.
So first you just need to get the bullets. If you want, you could just skip, but not right now because we're live streaming. Well, of course you can't see me, but just skip this part. And if you...
What do you mean skip this part? I'm in it. People are having fun with me.
Okay, then you just talk. So you just talk whatever you want to say. Like say whatever you want. I'm gonna be busy collecting the bullets, which I'm almost already done. Well, just talk to the kid.
You're talking to me?
Yes.
What did you say?
Okay, never mind. I don't want to explain. Oh. Anyways, you just talk to the kids or adults who are watching.
Okay, I have a story. I remember when I was in the World War II.
No, that's not true.
World War II. I used to be the commander of a tank. M1. No.
That they didn't exist back then.
Well, back in time. I took the M1 tank. I built a machine.
You mean you went forward in time? To take the M1.
Yeah. I'm not sure what he's talking about. He said I went to the future, grab a tank, then go back in time to World War II. Is that what you say?
Yeah.
That's impossible. Okay, get the bullseye. We're gonna do some practice. You gotta shoot all the way from across the field.
I almost forgot to tell you that, as you can see, there's this rail. Well, this used to have a scope, but we lost it, but we couldn't find it anywhere. It could be anywhere. It could be the house where we used to live. It could be here.
Anyway, if you know where it is, just write it down in the comments.
Well, actually, I don't know.
I was putting some tar on the floor. That's why it's black. I was working
Yeah, me
in
too.
the garage, putting some tar on the floor. There are cracks on the floor. and the
Anyways, what I
water
was
comes
saying
up.
is that it has a mini scope where if you put this up, it already has a scope.
That's it.
It has two. One at the front, the one that he's talking about, and then way at the back where you see
This
here.
one.
Yeah, there's two.
So this
Built
one and this one. So if you look through here and aim at this thing, so that means you're creating a parallel line between the barrel of the gun and your eye. So everywhere you aim at, that's where the barrel is aiming, plus 2 inches down, sometimes. And then you shoot. But of course, you need to calculate the trajectory of the projectile,
Yeah.
which in this case, it's not applicable because the projectile only falls like 2 feet after you shoot.
It's each shot is random. Some they fall on the floor pathetically, and some go really far.
So
Well, in real life, that didn't happen. They just
do you
go
have
really
like
far.
a setting here, pathetic bullet and badass bullet?
Wait, you can't say that. It's a kids show.
Is it?
Yes.
Yes. Of course. So don't want that one.
Okay. So get the bullseye.
I need a gun.
No, go get that first. Oh.
It's a little heavy. Of course. Well, actually, this is a dartboard, but a safe one.
So for demonstration purposes, we're gonna use it. So you're gonna go across the field there, football field, and you're gonna shoot from there.
Might actually need to.
Should I wear this?
Of course. Just wear it already. Gonna shoot.
I can see.
It couldn't actually hit you because it bounced.
Did you shoot?
Yep.
I felt something.
I almost forgot that.
Just wait.
Oops.
Stop it. It's getting all blurry inside my set. It's getting, can't see anything. Stop this madness. Hey, said stop.
He said stop.
Hey, boy. He's not stopping.
It's mask. 3, 2, 1, get ready. 3, 2.
You just said 3, 2, 1.
One.
Just shoot already.
kind of hearing do you even have?
Oh, I can't breathe in there. Oh.
Are you ready?
I went to the hair salon
Are you ready?
and it was closed.
3, 2,
Hello?
1.
Yes. Hello. We're here with the new video.
Go!
You didn't wait for me to put this. My head is too big, so I have
Last
to
bullet.
readjust this. Wait. Doesn't fit me. Gotta put the extra big head. That's better. Now it falls over me. Aha! Now it feels better. Automatic. Look, pulls down automatically.
That's really slow though. Wait.
Fire!
Yeah. I don't have any more bullets.
Fire!
I said I don't have any more bullets.
Fire!
Look.
Okay. No, don't point to my face.
It didn't have anything in it.
All right, so we're done.
Up to you.
Yeah, we're done.
It
Don't do that.
didn't have anything.
I don't care. Don't point at me. All right, so say goodbye and subscribe. Whatever you say. Come on.
Leave a like and subscribe and make sure to hit that bell and
And don't forget to subscribe
to
and like and subscribe now. Subscribe, press the bell and press the subscribe button.
notification.
So next time we can bring you another video. It's gonna be as crazy as this one, or even less crazy, or more. Anyways, we're gonna give this away. The Iron Man welding mask, where he made his suit with it. So if you subscribe, you get one chance, and I don't know how many subscribers we have. 10,000 subscribers.
No, we don't.
Shut up. So 1 in 10,000 chances of getting this beautiful,
And then
genuine welding mask from Iron Man.
it's not loaded. Look,
It says thrift store here.
there's no bullets in here.
All right. Thanks
So-
for watching. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Wait, is it still filming?